Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon. We already fixed the block wall here where the guy crashed our fence the other day. The guy that was coming out of the park crashed our fence. We're doing the final details right now. We have to fix the motor to open and close the gate. We also have to put the brackets here to hold it. To be able to lift the gate, we have to remove this, and to be able to put it back, we have to lift it over the motor with several people. It's a heavy gate in order for us to lift it over the motor and to be able to put it on the rail. But anyway, it's almost finished, so we're working on the final details. But as you guys can see, it looks almost like the way it was before. I mean, we have to probably do a little bit of brushing to clean the cement a little, but it's basically done. It's already fixed. We'll show it to you guys later when it's working. Thank you. And I'm gonna pause the video to keep going later. Thank you guys. Bye. Gonna show you the gate that we started repairing earlier, and we're almost finished. I mean, we repaired the block wall, that was damaged by the guy that crashed against the block wall, and he also damaged the block wall and the motor that opens and closes the gate. So I had to put a capacitor to the motor, a fuse, and a little bit of paint, to the box, to make it look better. So it's already working. And this is a gate that I custom operate with an application. I put relays and things like that, to make it work. And now I can operate this. I've been operating this for several years, with Google Voice and with Amazon Alexa, and also with an application on my phone. So it's actually nice. But like I said, we were without the gate for a while, thanks to the guy that was across the street, coming from the park, and he crashed against our fence. We don't know if he was under the influence or whatever, But the thing is, he crashed against our fence, damaging the block wall. He cracked the block wall and everything. So we had to fix that, my son and I. My son is the owner of Triple R Maintenance, and that's his company, well, our company, because I'm partner of that company. And we fixed the block wall, and I fixed the electric motor to operate the gate. And like I said, this is a custom system that I actually made in the past to be able to use this gate with custom voice, with voice commands, and in a phone application. And also we have a remote control that we can use. So anyway, this is what I did. And I can just say, Alexa, close gate. And you guys can see it's working. So I just give the commands to my Echo Dot. And in this case, I'm operating the Echo Dot with a battery. So I have to make sure that the gate is working properly. If it stops that noise, that ding dong that we have over there, then we'll be okay. But if it hits over there on the side, then it won't be working fine. Oh, it looks like it's working okay. And yep, and to stop the little ding dong, whatever that is, letting us know when somebody's here, when somebody opens the gate. Like I was telling you, this is the motor that got damaged. It's a commercial motor. It's a Ramset automatic gate opener. And like I said, it's an automatic system, but it's commercial. It's not residential normally, but we wanted something good, so we paid for this motor a long time ago. It's like when we purchased the materials for this block wall. I went to a store, sells materials, and I told the guy, I said, I want this blocks 8 by 8, 16. And also I told the guy I want to put some columns also that are going to be 16 by 16. The guy goes, well, you don't need that. I said, wait a minute, this is not what I need. This is what I want. And the guy kept telling me, he was an older guy. I mean, he probably was trying to save me money or something, but he was saying, hey, you don't need that. And they were the owners of the store, him and his wife. So when the wife overheard what I was saying, the wife approached the husband and myself, and she said, hey, wait a minute. Listen to him. Listen to what he's saying. He's saying, that's what I want. That's not what he needs. That's what he wants. So sell him what he wants. And the guy kind of changed his attitude and then right away And he said, okay, if that's what you want, I'm gonna be selling you that. But he still said, you don't need that. And just to give you guys an idea, when the accident happened, when the guy crashed against our block wall, he actually cracked the blocks, okay? And we replaced some of the blocks. We were able to get some of those blocks. Recently, we purchased some. But the thing is, we're not able to replace all the blocks because we put this fence probably about almost, I'll say, almost 21 years ago, okay? Almost 22 years ago. But anyway, when we put this fence, we purchased those materials, we put the block wall and everything, and they discontinued these blocks now. So they don't have these blocks. They're 8x8, 16th, split, double-sided. But it's not just that. It's the little dots they have on the blocks. They're black, and mainly black. Now the new ones, and they might have a few browns. The new ones are more brown than black. And the guys at the material store right away, they told me when they seen a sample that I took, they said, hey, they discontinue those materials. You're not gonna be able to get them. But anyway, when I walked outside to talk to the guys that knew where the materials were, he asked me, how many blocks do you need? I said, well, I just need some, I don't need a lot. I'm just doing a repair. Oh, he goes, let me take a look. He was looking between the materials and he was able to find me the amount of blocks that I needed to do this repair. So now our block wall is repaired, the electric motor is working, the gate is working. So everybody's happy at this house again because I guess we're spoiled and we get used to this kind of stuff, because it's kind of hard, to get used to something and then change right away. We have 2 electric gates here, but we always use the other one to enter the property, and the bigger gate, we use it to exit the property. That way we don't have to be making U-turns or trying to maneuver inside the property to turn. Makes everything a lot easier. Alexa, open gate. And as you guys can see here, I just told Alexa to open the gate, and she did. So she's opening the gate. And I keep another Alexa like this, Echo Dot, in my car. It's connected to a USB, and it's connected to the Wi-Fi of my hotspot. It's connected to the hotspot of my phone. So always when I enter the property, when I go out of the property, I can just tell my Alexa what I want. Or Alexa also works in my phone, or I can tell Google also what I want. So it's kind of cool. Alexa, close gate. And there you go. So that's how it works. Anyway, this is the final part of the video. The gate's already fixed. We had to do a little bit of sweeping and everything, just to finish everything properly, but we're done. We're done. Our gate is working again. And we're planning to have more family reunions, it makes it easier for everybody. Thank you, guys.